Okay, this is a Kenmore 1914. And what I want to show here is this is your reverse and stitch length pivoting section in here. And I want to show you what I'm trying to show here is to help people understand the way you know you have not got that cleaned up enough. You've got too much sticky, dry oil in there still. See how that pivot is moving really slowly back? That is caused by dry, sticky oil. That means you need to clean it more. You may have to use a paintbrush dipped in rubbing alcohol to get down to that area, or even in from the side here. But it usually the pivot needs cleaned on both sides and oiled on both sides. But so the fact that it moves slowly back and continues to move. Now you have to have your stitch length set all the way to the longest stitch length to be able to get this cleaned and oiled all the way, and to be able to see this. If you have it on set on too short of a stitch length, you will not get it all the way cleaned up as well. But anyway, so when it's too slow moving back like that, that means there's still dry, sticky oil in there. Sure, your reverse is going to work right now. Sure, your stitch length is going to work right now, but your stitch length may change on you while you're sewing. And also, it will just continue to get gummier if you don't get it cleaned up and oiled. So anyway, thank you, and good luck with cleaning. And remember to oil after you clean the reverse stitch length pivoting part.